The Slugstand, if used correctly, will help you create a slug-free zone for the most vulnerable plants in your garden, leaving them untouched by slugs and snails. Just place it in a clear area and fill it full of water. This is a 20-litre container, a 30-litre container and a 68-litre container on top of the two Slugstands. Use this as a guide and don't overload it. We recommend a maximum of 40 kilos per stand. Now the slugs and snails have a large moat to cross if they want to eat your plants. A natural barrier that protects your plants without harming your pets or other wildlife. Overflowing the water or emptying the water and refilling will prevent mosquitoes. Make sure the Slugstand is in a clear area, away from any pots or walls or anything that can provide an alternate route for slugs to bypass the moat and reach your plants. Adding salt to the water means that evaporation of the water barrier in dry, hot periods will leave a salty residue stuck to the Slugstand, meaning when the water disappears, the slugs still can't cross. Make sure the salt water doesn't go into the soil or it could kill the surrounding plants. A large pot that shelters most of the Slugstand from the rain and drains through the central hole should be enough. I've found evaporation much more likely than overflowing. There's a large 5-litre reservoir for water, so it is quite easy to maintain. Of course, if your Slugstand is not on the soil, it doesn't really matter if a bit of salt leaks onto your patio or decking. There are 4 holes provided, should you wish to fix the Slugstand to a planter. I hope you enjoy your Slugstand and being able to create a small slug-free zone in your garden. I spent a lot of time and money creating it, and I hope it brings you as much joy as it does me. If you have any feedback about my invention, please do let me know. Cheers.